Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Unsweetened Food Hub. In this video, I'd like to share with you the ingredients I use to make this tasty looking banana bread. If you are seeing my video for the first time, please why don't you like, share, subscribe, turn on the red button so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. And for my old returnees, I thank you guys are the best. So here are the ingredients I use for this chocolate banana bread. I have 2 cups of flour, half cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, half cup of sugar, nutmeg, baking powder and baking soda, vanilla extract, chocolate chips. Then I have ripe banana. Yes, ripe banana. Then I have cream. Yes. So I'll start by mashing up the banana. Then I'll use the masher to mash it to an extent, and later on I'll use hand mixer to whisk it more before I'll add other ingredients like the cream and the vanilla extract and stuff. Now I've gotten to the point I want to start using hand mixer to whisk it more. I'll whisk it to an extent, about 4 minutes. Then I'll add the liquids to it, the cream, the egg, and the vanilla extract. So right now I'm done with whisking. I'll add vanilla extract, then I'll add buttermilk. That's the cream. Then I'll add egg, I'll add sugar, then I'll whisk it again till like 5 minutes again before I'll add the dry ingredients. So now I'm still whisking and I'm done with it. I'll start by adding the dry ingredients, the flour, and I'll add the baking soda and baking powder. Then with the nutmeg, then mix everything together. So now I'm done with the mixing. I'll add the chocolate chips. You can add anything you want. Some people can use peanut butter, but for this recipe I'm using chocolate chips. So yeah, mix everything together. So I'll reserve the ones I will spread on top of the batter once I'm done. Now I'm spreading the remaining chocolate chips on top of the batter. Then after this, I'll bake it on the oven. And that's it. Our chocolate chips is ready. Guys, can you see that? Can you see our chocolate bread? This is yummy, I tell you. Look at that. Can you see how moist this banana chocolate bread is? Oh guys, give this recipe a try and give me a comment in the comment section. If you like this recipe, if you enjoy watching this video, please why don't you like, share and subscribe. Turn on the red button so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. For my old subscribers, my returnees, thank you for always coming back to watch me. You guys are the best. Thank you. I love you guys. See you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.